Good morning, students. Last class we studied about physical quantities and its types. Next we can study about units. Unit is a physical quantity that can be used in the numerical equation of the science and technology and otherwise particular system. What is a unit? Unit is a standard of physical quantity independent of physical and environmental conditions. There are three types: fundamental units, derived units, practical units. Next, we can study about the SI units. SI unit is a system, international system of units. So, once a standard is set for quantity, then it can be expressed in terms that is standard quantity. This is called as the standard quantity, called as the unit. Next, in general, in 1960, they are adopted worldwide. All the countries accepted the SI system in only one units. That is the concept of unit and a physical quantity. So next, derived quantity. Derived quantity means dependent on fundamental quantities are called as the derived quantities. Example: area, volume, speed, force, etc. And how we can calculate the fundamental and derived, what is the difference? So fundamental is the independent, derived is the dependent on fundamental quantities. That is called as difference between fundamental and derived quantities. Next, we can study about what is the difference between base versus derived. Base means fundamental quantities, derived quantities, units. Last we studied about base and derived. Next, units. Metric system. Metric system actually two systems: MPa system, meter, kilogram, seconds, and CG is a centimeter, gram, second system. So we can generally called as the system international system of units. Otherwise we called. So international system of SI units is the measuring system based on the units 10. Units is SI units are meter, which is used measuring the length. What is the SI system again? International system of units, modern form of the metric system derived from some base units and the concept using multiple fraction of the number 10. So this is the world of this we called as the system international. And is the French systems is a modern form of the metric system. How we can calculate in our day-to-day life? Every field of science involving taking measurements with measurements we can make anything. So we can calculate the SI system called metric system, or all around the world we can use measurements SI system. Next, there are 7 basic units of system: meter, kilogram, Kelvin, ampere, etc. In SI system, a series of units that is accepted and used throughout the scientific world. This is called as system international or international system. So you can learn about the SI system. Units of meter, centimeter, millimeter, etc. So you can learn about, I think, and watch this video to understand. Thank you.